Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your DREAME TV. First of all, make sure that other devices can use the Wi-Fi network your TV has issues with. Check the internet connection on your smartphone, or your tablet, or on your PC, or on your laptop, etc. And if no other devices have issues with your Wi-Fi network, then you can proceed to troubleshooting on your TV. Otherwise, just restart the router, and if this doesn't help you, then contact your internet service provider. So on your TV, if you have to troubleshoot your TV, press the gear button to open the quick settings menu, then go to all settings, then select network and internet. And now let's simply try to toggle the Wi-Fi as the first step. So just switch the Wi-Fi off, then on again. And then check your network. If the status is not connected, or if the status is connected but you have no internet, then what we're going to have to do is select our Wi-Fi network and navigate to the very bottom of its settings and select forget network, then OK. Then let's go back to internet connection, network and internet, and let's select see all, and let's try to reconnect to this network. So select it right here, and let's enter the password to it. And once you have entered the password, press OK. Okay, and right now the internet connection should be retrieved. But if this didn't help you, then let's go back to settings and let's scroll down to system menu. Here in the system menu, the first thing that I want you to check is your date and time. Check your current date and time and see if it's the same as you see on your TV screen. If it's not, I recommend using automatic date and time, or if automatic date and time doesn't show you the correct values, switch it off and then switch it on again. The date and time should be reset. If not, then switch it off and then set date and time manually. So in date, select the current date, and in time, select the current time. And after that, select use network provided time. And the next step I recommend you doing is selecting power and energy. Then go into energy mode. And here, if you have low power mode or eco mode enabled, change it to either optimized or, even better, increased one. After that, return to system settings, and let's restart our TV by selecting the restart option at the very bottom of this menu. Okay, and if after the restart your internet didn't start working again, then we may consider either a network card issue or a router incompatibility. And to check which one it is, you're gonna have to connect your TV to either another Wi-Fi network or another router, or create a portable hotspot on your mobile device and connect to it. Now, to connect to your mobile hotspot on your TV, press the gear button to open the quick settings menu, and let's go to the Wi-Fi tile from here, and let's see available networks, and let's check for our mobile hotspot. Okay, so here is mine. Let me enter the password to it. Press OK. Okay, so devices are connected, and now check your network connection again. So if you don't have network connection now, then most probably you just have some network card issues, and in such case you're gonna have to contact DREAME customer support service and tell them about this issue and get your TV fixed, as this is a hardware issue that we cannot affect in any way. But if you do have the network connection, then this means the router and the TV incompatibility. And now we have two ways of solving this. Now, if you have enough mobile data on your smartphone, or maybe if you are connected to the Wi-Fi network and are transferring the Wi-Fi data from your smartphone to your TV, then you can check for software updates. And to do that, go to All Settings menu again, then go to System Settings once again, then go to About section, and then go to System Update. And after selecting System Update, let your TV check for available updates. And if it finds an update, if you have enough mobile data, or if you are using the Wi-Fi, then let your TV install the most recent software version and then restart. And then try reconnecting connecting to your Wi-Fi network once again. But as I said before, if your TV wasn't able to connect to your smartphone, then this is most probably a hardware issue. And in such case, you should seek help from DREAME support customer support service. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.